The Zoom H5 in the unboxing, a compact and light audio feed recorder in the size of a big smartphone, changeable microphones, simultaneous recording of 4 tracks, up to 24-bit at 96 kHz, resolution and much more in the unboxing by Lightcolorshadow. The differences to the H4n Pro are the changeable microphones, the weight, the H5 is lighter, the battery runtime. This device here has a runtime of 15 hours and it has a backup recording mode in multitrack when you record in multitrack mode. The H5 has 2 XLR ports to connect external microphones and a lot of other audio equipment like music players, effect processors, keyboards, etc. These 2 ports have their own dedicated gain control knobs to control the volume, and they are protected by a metal bar to prevent accidental movement. The XLR ports supporting also phantom powering. The H5 is able to record in WAV up to 24-bit at 96 kHz, but these settings are only available in stereo mode, and of course you can record in a compressed way in MP3. The package offers a printed manual in different languages, a USB cable to connect the recorder with the PC or tablet to use it as an audio interface, a foam windscreen for the mounted microphones, and 2 AA batteries. And the H5 comes in this protective case for transportation, what is really nice advantage. There is also a SD card with 2 GB capacity included and 2 software licenses for the Steinberg Cubase LE and Wavelab LE. Cubase is a music production software and Wavelab is for audio editing and mastering. Didn't use it until now, but I will take a look on that. So we used the Zoom H5 for the very first time for one scene for a short movie to capture a dialogue and the environment sounds. We were impressed by the simplicity of operation and how reliable the device works. The sound mixer has been able to fish the sound well with the help of a boom pole. As microphone we used the Rode VideoMic Pro and were not disappointed with what was recorded. Crystal clear sound and a good presence of all pitches. And as a little test, I recorded my voice for this video with the same setup, the H5 combined with the Rode VideoMic Pro. As comparison, I recorded this part now with my computer, what I usually do. The sound is much more clearer with the zoom and closer to a high-end recording. The H5 builds a bigger presence of the pitches and the clarity of the sound is far better. I recorded everything at 24-bit at 96 kHz, also on the Zoom. I'm back on the recorder and I think you can hear the difference very well. I wanna be honest, I'm not the audio expert, but the difference is clear, also for an amateur. So let me thank you for watching this video and especially listen to it. You can leave a comment and a like if you want, and otherwise you can visit me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. For more, visit Lightcolorshadow.com. There is a new gallery update with a lot of high quality photos. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye bye.